So all of our products have been developed by the team here in Atlanta for our amplifiers and our upcoming node portfolio. All of these engineers came from Scientific Atlanta or Cisco.
We took the product from Cisco that we had originally developed back at Cisco and evolved that product family.
Modifying the designs, innovating to 1.8 gigahertz, and so forth. So all of our team here is key from the development from essentially concept all the way into production.
And it's now being manufactured in our plant in Holly, Michigan.
We felt like Michigan was a good location because there's a lot of very highly skilled manufacturing people that have been up through the automotive industries, have built various electronic parts over the years.
My staff and I have worked together for a long time. We have a strong reputation for very, very high automotive quality in the autonomous driving area. We're bringing that level of quality, that level of professional manufacturing expertise to work with ATX to come up with the best combination of design and quality.
It felt like a natural fit.
It's a very collaborative, real-time environment where there's a lot of back and forth and a lot of real-time communications. The fact that it's in the same time zone as we are here on the East Coast, that's a big advantage.
We have state-of-the-art SMT equipment. We have state-of-the-art wave equipment, selective solder equipment, some really kind of exciting to watch pin insertion equipment. Our assembly line is custom built for these parts. And our test equipment is latest of the line.
Just looking at the automation and very much robotic. There are staff on the floor, there are staff working machines, but most of it is automated. And just the investment in the automation in Holly is significant.
The plant was set up to run a part every 45 seconds. So that will get us about 1,740 a day, and that will translate to about 400,000 amplifiers a year.
To get those sort of numbers couldn't be done without automation. And actually seeing it working and working well is kind of impressive to see a unit come off the end of the line.
From my perspective, I don't think things could have gone any better. The plant was ramped up from basically the ground up and is now going to be able to operate at a capacity that's going to meet or exceed our customer demand, at least for the foreseeable future.
So all of our products are extensible all the way to 1.8. We'll support the industry like we have for years, and we see the HFC market, the DOCSIS market continue to evolve for years to come, and I think the products we're building fit those needs of our customers really well to get them to market quickly and efficiently and cost effectively.